Hello everyone, this is Bryan 老师 here, and today I want to share with you guys how to take care of your knee and those who have some knee issue. If there's no inflammation or swelling, you can perform this stretching and guasha. But if there is any inflammation or swelling, do consult a doctor first. And for those who have some experiencing kneecap pain and in the process of recovering from injury, you can perform these stretches and also some simple guasha to improve the circulation around the knee. So we need to take care of our knee, especially nowadays a lot of people have knee pain issue. So it's very simple. You just sit on the floor like that, and if one knee and sit in an L shape gently. If one knee is like higher, when you sit down is higher than the other knee, that means there's some flexibility problem. So what I do every day is I take this band, exercise band, and I stretch. You see, I stretch, straighten this side and flat on the floor. There should not be pain or any soreness. There may be some soreness but no pain. So your foot just flex upward, 30 seconds each leg, and a set of 3 sets. Okay, this is what I do every day to take care of the flexibility of the knee. So today for guasha, or using the guasha plate for the knee, I'll make use of the rice bran oil. Then after that, lavender, peppermint, and my marjoram is there. So the 3 oil method. But first, let us understand the structure of the knee. I'm not going to be so technical because I'm not doctor. So I will use a very general explanation of the place that we are going to guasha. So this is the head of the knee. Okay, at the top here is called the he. Okay, the crane, the head of the crane. This is the crane, the head of the crane. We're going to gua here, and then if you put your hand like that on top of the palm, on top of the head or kneecap, when you open up here is the 2-point that is very good for knee pain issue. And this 2-point one is called the shui high. Okay, when you press, it's very sore. Okay, and normally when you release the muscle here, the kneecap problem will be released. Okay, but here is also very good for circulation of the body system, for your skin beauty also. Okay, and then this point here. Now the head of the kneecap is here, and the center part of the kneecap is here, because I always nail down so it's black lah. So at the side, there's 2 holes. Can you see the 2 holes? Okay, the inner one is higher than the outer one, the xi yan. Okay, this is the point that we're going to give a gentle massage also using guasha plate. Okay, and then down here, there's, when you move your hand like that, you move, there's a bone here, right? Below the eye bone here, there's an acupressure point called the Yang Ling Quan Xue. When you press, is for the general bone health, tendons, muscle for the whole body system. And then in the inside, you move, there's a bone below the eye of the bone, roughly here. It's called the Yin Ling Quan Xue. It's for your slimming, remove the water retention in the body system. Okay, so we are going to focus this few points. So what you do is rice bran oil, jojoba, or coconut oil, squeeze enough amount, 2-3 squeeze like that on your palm. I think 4-5 squeeze lah, huh? And then you put your essential oil. You can put 1 to 2 drop lavender, peppermint, lavender. Okay, then peppermint. I put 2-3 drops sometimes, and then marjoram. Lavender is to reduce inflammation, muscle relaxant. Royal peppermint or wild peppermint is to improve the circulation, to move the stagnant qi away from the area. And marjoram has a very powerful muscle relaxant, at the same time strengthen the muscle, at the same time fight any kind of inflammation. So I apply in my knee. Okay, give your knee a gentle massage. Okay, downwards. So you need to warm up the knee first, the side of the knee. You know, at the behind of the knee here, there's, you know, this point is very good for your knee pain and also lower back pain. So normally when I do this, I sit on a chair on an L-shaped chair lah. But today I need to take video, so I sit on the floor. So when you sit on a chair, it's easier to massage and your back is supported. So now can you imagine I'm sitting on the floor, my lower back is not supported. So after you warm your side, no, it's so important that those who got knee problem or recovering from knee problem to use rice bran oil that lubricate the joint, inside of the joint, absorb inside with the 3 oil method. And even you don't guasha, you warm the side of your knee every day. Okay, you can use for 2 knee. Just now the 5 squeeze is too much because I want to use for guasha. So after that, so this is the 扁食 guasha plate, right? So you do it how many times? 50 to 60 times downwards here. Okay, remember the crane head that I mentioned, and it's around 45 degree. Oh, this is so comfortable. Gently. It's not going to injure the bone and things like that because you're not doing a very hard thing. It's just a very gentle massage, and then take the tip, press on the acupressure point. Remember the 血海, if you got very poor circulation, your face look very dull, you can use this area here also. 50 to 60 times. After that, you can give a simple press, release the pain. Now here, so this point here is actually here and here. So one good thing about guasha is you don't have to find the exact acupressure point, but you can release the overall tension. So then we have the 细海, the 内眼 and the 外眼, right? So you just do a simple, you know, here got bone, right? You just squat on the tendon gently, very gentle, using this tip. This is a very powerful 扁食 stone that is very healing for body energy. It has far infrared. So each time around 50 to 60 times. This video is going to help a lot of people because it's East meet West. Sometimes we wish that Western physiology can work with Chinese TCM doctor in healing. Like Chinese TCM doctor lack of the good massage cream or the guasha oil. They always use very low quality, those don't know what Vaseline or things like that. But if they combine with the Western natural therapy with the rice bran oil and things like that, it will help a lot. Then after that, remember the eye here, you touch, there's a guitar like that, ding, 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 right? You can use this side. Oh my God, when you do this, you can feel the vein energy go towards the whole foot. You don't go on the bone, but below the bone, the natural muscle, and it's very gentle. So imagine inside here, the bone here below, you don't go the bone, no, the bone is here, but away from the bone, you can use this side of the fish. Use this side of the fish, so just nicely sit away from the bone. Of course, there's a few acupressure points like the San Yin Jiao, but I will teach until here that will do. Okay, so each point that is here, 50 times, here 50, here 50, using the tip of here, or the small one here, 50, 50. Then here, you see you move, there's a bone right below the bone, 50 times, and 50 times. After you massage guasha already, give a simple massage like that, and then straighten your leg. And behind of the knee, very important, use the finger like that, right, to push. Can you see? Push. That means push up. Now your whole knee circulation and energy is renewed, so your knee pain problem can really recover very quickly. So remember, this cannot be applied on swelling or high inflammation of the knee. If you need to do, you need to ask the doctor for advice. Okay, so this is a good remedies. But if you got inflammation and swelling, you don't do guasha massage. You just use a rice bran oil, and lavender peppermint marjoram to just apply. No need to massage to fight the inflammation first. Okay, thank you very much, and I hope you guys support bryanwellness.com. And this Liu Li guasha plate is limited also, is to apply oil and massage the whole leg. It's very, very good. So today guasha plate, we use the fish 扁食 and the Liu Li. You know, just it's like very good for tired leg syndrome. Okay, all this at bryanwellness.com at the miscellaneous under guasha plates. Okay, bye bye.